As you know, I'm a writer, director, actor, editor. But yeah, I make videos. Well, not just videos. Pretty soon, I'm gonna fulfill my dream by making a film. I've talked about it somewhat, but I feel it's the right time to make it official. Why now? Well, it's done, and I plan to begin shooting this winter. What's it called? The film is called The Lost Girl. What's it about? Well, without spoiling anything, I'll give you 3 words. Ambiguity, hero, and redemption. Oh, I'm being all philosophical. Well, this is a drama. Yeah, you guys are used to my comedy, so you won't see me dancing like a fool without a care. Actually, you won't see me in the film at all. I will be behind the camera throughout the whole film. I can't play any major character because major characters are female. And of course I can't be Mackenzie Ray, who is a 7-year-old girl. It's kind of impossible. Auditions, that is my next step. Okay, I'm gonna say this. For all roles, even if you're an extra, all I ask for is one thing. Respect. It's as simple as that. Now for the major roles. I want a little more. By that I mean going through auditions. For now, email me at calverofilms@gmail.com. As a closer, I'm going to say this. This is a professional film, and I care a lot about this film. And it's going to happen. Just you wait.